Installing a new door can seem like a straightforward task, but it requires attention to detail and a solid understanding of the process. Whether you're replacing an old door or installing a new one for the first time, there are several common mistakes you should avoid. By staying aware of these errors, you can ensure a smoother installation process, avoid costly repairs, and make the most of your investment in your home. If you're planning a door installation in Jennings, here are some critical missteps to watch out for. Choosing the wrong door size. One of the most significant mistakes homeowners make during door installation is selecting the wrong size door for their frame. Doors come in various sizes, and it's essential to measure your door frame accurately before purchasing a new door. If you buy a door that's too large or too small, it may not fit properly, leading to gaps that could affect the door's security, energy efficiency, and overall appearance. To avoid this, take precise measurements of your door frame's height, width, and depth. If you're unsure about your measurements, consider consulting a professional to help you select the right door. Additionally, keep in mind that standard door sizes may not always work for older homes or non-standard frames, which may require custom doors. Neglecting proper weatherproofing. Weatherproofing your door is crucial, especially in a location like Jennings where the weather can be unpredictable. Many homeowners overlook the importance of installing weather stripping or sealing around their doors. Without proper weatherproofing, drafts can easily seep through, leading to energy inefficiency, higher utility bills, and an uncomfortable living space. Ensure that your door installation includes proper weatherproofing. This may involve installing a door sweep at the bottom, adding weather stripping along the edges, or using sealant around the frame to block out the elements. This extra step not only improves your home's energy efficiency but also extends the lifespan of your door. Improper installation of hardware. The hardware you choose for your door plays a significant role in its functionality and security. Improper installation of handles, locks, or hinges can lead to issues such as a door that doesn't open or close properly or a lock that doesn't function correctly. If the hardware isn't installed securely, it can also compromise the door's safety. It's important to follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully and use the correct tools for the job. For locks, ensure that the strike plate is installed at the correct height and aligned properly with the lock mechanism. Additionally, when installing hinges, make sure they are placed at equal distances from the top and bottom of the door to ensure a smooth, even swing. Forgetting to check the level and plumb. When installing a door, it's crucial to check that the door frame is level and plumb. If the door is installed incorrectly, it may sag over time or become difficult to open and close. A door that isn't level may also cause gaps around the frame, which can affect the door's security and insulation. Use a level tool to check both the door frame and the door itself during installation. This ensures that the door hangs properly and operates smoothly. If you're unsure about this step, consider hiring a professional installer to ensure the door is perfectly aligned. Skipping the door frame preparation. Another common mistake is neglecting the proper preparation of the door frame before installation. If your door frame is old or damaged, installing a new door without addressing the frame issues can lead to misalignment, air gaps, and security concerns. Before installing a new door, inspect the frame for any damage or signs of wear, such as rotting wood or warping. If necessary, repair or replace parts of the frame to ensure the door will fit securely and function properly. Taking the time to prep the frame before installation can save you time and money in the long run. Rushing the installation process. Door installation may seem like a simple DIY task, but it's essential to take your time and follow the proper steps. Rushing the installation can lead to mistakes that might be costly to fix later. Whether you're installing a front door, a back door, or a sliding patio door, each type requires careful attention to detail. Take your time to ensure every step is done correctly, from measuring the frame to installing the hardware. If you're unsure of any part of the process, consider hiring a professional installer to handle the job. Proper installation may take a little longer, but it ensures your door operates effectively and lasts for years. Conclusion: a new door can improve the aesthetics, security, and energy efficiency of your home, but only if it's installed correctly. By avoiding these common mistakes during door installation in Jennings, you can ensure that your new door performs optimally and adds lasting value to your home. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or considering professional help, paying attention to detail will make all the difference in achieving a successful door installation.